Hey Glam Dolls, I'm here today to share with you all a small haul of some goodies I scored by shopping at my local Dollar Tree. I'm going to start by digging in this bag. That's what's going to make it as much fun for me as it should be for you, waiting to see what small haul of goodies did Glam find in her local Dollar Tree this time. Yes, and this time, I kid you not, it really is a very small haul. So first thing up out the bag is this pedi tool. Now I have purchased this before in the past, so when I saw it again, no way was I going to leave this behind. What I'm loving best about this pedi tool is it's four-sided. You're getting your nail file, you're getting a pumice stone, you're getting a scrub brush, and you're also getting a metal nail file, which is on the other side. This is perfect for you to have in your bathroom, you know, or in your shower stall. That way, so when you bathe in, you got your little pedi tool right here to touch up that pedicure. So I got another one of these. So next thing up out the bag, I picked up some Bolero coconut cream and vanilla bath soap. These are the crystals, okay? I was so happy to have found these because a few videos ago I did upload my Bolero haul, but I was not able to get my hands on the crystals. Now I'm calling these crystals, but they remind me a lot of Epsom salt because you add this into your bath water when you soak it in the tub. And what I love about this crystal in particular is it says it detoxifies and rejuvenates your skin as well as moisturize, and it helps to ease muscle discomfort, leaving your skin soft and refreshed. In a warm bath never felt so rewarding and healing. They are not lying when they say this, okay? A bath has never felt so rewarding and healing when using these bath crystals. And like I said, they remind me and work the same as Epsom salt would, because it does help to ease away any muscle tenderness you may have. It is the ultimate relaxation experience. And this is the Bolero coconut cream and vanilla bath soap, which I'm showing you one, but if you're an official Glam Doll, you already know I got more than one of these. So the next thing up out my bag, and now my video is over. I told you all this was gonna be a really quick haul. So the next thing up out my bag, and don't laugh if you're an official Glam Doll, I know you going to laugh, but LA Colors Cosmetics, I kid y'all not, I'm like the supreme LA Color Cosmetics junkie, okay? So much so, I have an exclusive LA Colors playlist linked down below, sharing with you all a plethora of different looks I have created just by using a cosmetic line alone. I can't get enough of them. And I know recently I uploaded a huge LA Colors cosmetic line kit haul that was available in your local Dollar General. Yeah, well, these highlighters are right in your local Dollar Tree. OMG. So this one is called Angelic Glow. Looks like this right here. These are the liquid highlighters. And the next one is called Brazen. That looks like this right here. This looks more like a bronzy color. And the last one is called Candlelight, which looks like a gorgeous champagne color. And these are the liquid highlighters that are available in your local Dollar Tree. And on that note, dolls, this just conclude this video. I told you this was gonna be a really quick haul. Thank you for taking the time to watch this video, and I will see you all in another video again shortly. Later, dolls.